नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Okay. Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. Have you all learned the first lesson for test? Have you all learned? Okay, prepare well. Okay, those who didn't finish the notes, please finish the notes and send it to me. I'm getting only little notes. Please, I'm correcting and giving. I'm telling you several times, but no one is hearing. Only 1 or 2 students only sending. Please send the notes as soon as possible and prepare for the test. Okay, my dear kids. Then have you read the lesson what I have taught in the previous class? 5th lesson, Aksharon ka Mahatva. Read carefully. Okay. Then I'll take page number 31, 30, 30. Page number 30 and write the up of it. Till 29th page we had finished on the previous day, isn't it? So 30th page. Write on the up of it today's date 17/10/2020 and Shanivar. Right there. Okay, I'm going to read. See that picture is that what how they were communicating by drawing some pictures and all. They were showing this is this one like this and all. They were communicating. That is only that picture that no need. Okay, अक्षरों की खोज के साथ एक नए युग की शुरुआत हुई. आदमी अपने विचार और अपने हिसाब किताब को लिख कर रखने लगा. Then after that they find out the letters, isn't it? They discovered the letters and also when अक्षरों की खोज के साथ with the search of letters एक नए युग की शुरुआत हुई. One new like one what we will say one new changes and all came. Then आदमी अपने विचार और अपने हिसाब किताब को लिख कर रखने लगा. Then after that what happened? The peoples and all the human beings and all what they will do, what they are thinking, what everything in that what accounts and all what they want to do, everything they are writing and keeping. तब से मानव को सभ्य कहा जाने लगा. Some after that they were telling like they are civilized, cultured, like that. They were telling human beings when they started writing and communicating with letters, then only they are telling like they are civilized, they are cultured. Safya means cultured. Safya, cultured. Okay. Then आदमी ने जब से लिखना शुरू किया तब से इतिहास आरंभ हुआ. When the human being started writing, then only what started? Idihas. Idihas means what? History. Now what you are studying and all now? What you are studying the history and all what before the old age and all what they were doing, isn't it? So that it is reaching to us by what? Through letters only. So when they find out the letters only, they started writing what? History also. किसी भी कौम या देश का इतिहास तब से शुरू होता जब से आदमी के लिखे हुए लेख मिलने लग जाते हैं. When any nations or any countries, any things and all, any history and all, they started when they started writing the letters only we are getting that information about other nations and all. इस प्रकार इतिहास को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6000 साल हुए हैं. So with this so many difficulties and all, this history also started before 6000. Now it finished what? 6000 years finished when they started. So उसके पहले के काल को प्रागैतिहासिक काल यानी इतिहास के पहले का काल कहते हैं. So 6000 years before nothing was there, isn't it? That letters and all was not there. So that period we will call as प्रागैतिहासिक काल. Means इतिहास के पहले का काल, before the history period, prehistoric period. We will tell now prehistoric period, that only that one. अतः हम देखते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों की खोज नहीं करता तो आज हम इतिहास को न जान पाते. Isn't it? If the people they didn't find out the letters means we don't know about any history, isn't it? We are not going to know about any history. Now what is happening only we knows. If the letters and all is not there means we don't. That time if they didn't find out means we don't know about that time's history and all, isn't it? When they find out only that time itself they started writing. So that time itself history we are familiar, isn't it? हम यह जान पाते कि पिछले कुछ हजारों सालों से आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था, क्या क्या सोचता था, कौन कौन राजा हुए इत्यादि। हम यह न जान पाते, वी कान फेमिलियर विथ वाट, कुछ हजार सालों से 1000 years बिफोर एंड ऑल आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था, हाउ दे वेर लिविंग, क्या क्या सोचता था, हाउ दे वेर थिंकिंग, व्हाट एंड ऑल दे वेर थिंकिंग, कौन कौन राजा हुए, हु एंड ऑल बिकेम राजा, etc. इत्यादि means etc. This and all we don't know, isn't it? This and all we don't know, because of history, when they started writing the history of that only we came to know that these people and all were doing this and all, these people and all was the raja and all. So because of letters they find out only, because of that they have written the history. After writing the history only we came to know these details and all. देन अक्षरों की खोज मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी खोज है, विच इज़ द मेन फर्स्ट वेरी बिग डिस्कवरी. खोज मीन्स डिस्कवरी, विच इज़ द वर्ड्स बिग डिस्कवरी, अक्षरों की खोज, फाइंडिंग लेटर्स, इसलिए अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद ही मनुष्य अपने विचारों को लिख कर रखने लगा. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द लेटर्स ओनली दे स्टार्टेड राइटिंग व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग. इस प्रकार एक पीढ़ी के ज्ञान का इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी करने लगा. इसलिए दोस्तों now these generations people and all what they were knows and all they are writing and keeping, isn't it? This one next generation people and all coming and learning that one they are using. इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी, पीढ़ी means generation, generation. So इस्तेमाल use, they are using that one, is use. So this generation people and all what they are, their knowledge and all they are using now and they are writing and keeping that knowledge. Who is using? Next generation people they are using. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद पिछले 6000 सालों में मानव जाति का तेज़ी से विकास हुआ. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द letters only, these 6000 years only the humans what happened, fastly they progressed fastly, they improved, isn't it? Because of the letters knowledge only. सो यह महत्व है अक्षरों का, उनसे बनी हुई लिपियों का. फॉर व्हाट क्रेडिट एंड ऑल गोज टू द लेटर्स ओनली एंड ऑल्सो द लिपि, स्क्रिप्ट एंड लिपि, मोर स्क्रिप्ट एंड दोस हू डोंट नो Devanagari script, so many Hindi and all Devanagari script only, so many script English and all so many other script like that and all it will come. So because of that script and all only these languages and all also started. So because of letters only this everything happened. अतः हम सबको अक्षरों की कहानी मालूम होने से. Now you understood the story of letters, so we have to know the story of letters. आज जिन अक्षरों को हम पढ़ते या लिखते हैं वे कब बनाए गए. So now we are writing and studying and writing and reading and all, isn't it? But we don't know that when it happened. So we have to know, isn't it? So we have to know 6000 years before only they find out this one. So they say कहाँ बने, where it happened, किसने बनाए, यह जानना ज़रूरी है. फिर that also we want to know. If you are going to Google search means you can find out this and all, where we find out the letters, who find out the letters, how they find out, like that and all we are getting. So we this everything we want, we have to know. That is very important. Only we are writing whatever we are doing itself we have to know the basic of that. That is very important. So even Hindi if we are telling means the letters, Hindi letters, those who don't know means they can't read and all, isn't it? Like that only. So Hindi letters, those who are learning correctly and reading, they will get easily, they can catch the letters, everything, catch the words and all. So they have to join and learn the letters, join the words. Letters you have to join and you have to read. So we have to make use of, so everything we have to know the basic, where it came, when it came, how it came, like that. So like this only the story of letter is there. So the importance of letter is this much. So when if it is not there means how we will learn, how we will write, how we will speak. Even we can't speak, even we can't communicate with each other, isn't it? So because of that only they have find out the letters. So we have to give importance for the letters and learn, isn't it? So that's all my dear students, it was written by Gunakar Muli, some poet. He is not much famous and all. So he has written this one, and it is very useful lesson, isn't it? So read the lesson carefully, my dear kids. Don't waste your time, because no, don't want to waste our time, isn't it? Don't want to waste our 1 year. So learn, my dear kids, then only your knowledge will increase. Please learn whatever the teachers are telling, and please do the homework and or anything assignment or something, and I'll do it. Okay, my dear kids, learn. Okay, read carefully, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, or you can call me or text me. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. Dhanyavad bachcho.